Meaning of Fahrenheit 451.
Fahrenheit 451.
Fahrenheit 451.
Fahrenheit 451.
Fahrenheit 451. Fahrenheit 451 is a dystopian novel by Ray Bradbury published in 1953. The title refers to the temperature at which paper ignites and books burn. In this future world, books are banned and firemen burn any that are found. The protagonist, Guy Montag, is a fireman who begins to question his role in society and eventually rebels against the oppressive government. The novel serves as a warning against censorship, conformity, and the dangers of a society without critical thinking and free expression.